Yeah, buddy. We're gonna
Yeah.
get this fucking exhaust install going. So we about to do this install on this Monzo exhaust on this motherfucker.
Yep. See this vehicle?
I'ma just
He
lube
can't
this
fit
bitch
in
up. Yeah, chill.
He is the front seat.
So I'ma just lube this bitch up, man. Come get this money shot.
Hey, chill.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the crusty bitch. Leaker. Has release.
He's having issues with a wrench.
Fuck it.
Yep. The basics of car maintenance.
What, nigga? I gotta see if this is a 10 or not.
He's so big, he makes the clothes move.
Yeah, chill.
Look at him looking like a fucking otter. Look like he swim on his back.
So what up?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to zip this bitch off real quick.
Like a waste of taxpayer dollars. Bro, look at this nigga.
Chill.
Yes, we are black, just in case you're asking.
Oh shit.
Look at him with the long boy. Give him a shot of the long boy. What's been going on? Oh, chill out.
Yeah.
Chill out, bro. I'm saying actually show the extender. So we got legit tools.
That boy.
Looking like a Uzi.
Glock of the boom, a bitch, and I'm torting it.
He's big. He stole from it. Oh yeah. And there's my favorite sound. Get the zoom. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Bro, y'all niggas see this, bro? This fat ass nigga done leaked the weld, bro. This nigga uninstalled the weld, bro. Bro, how, bro? How, bro?
Let's get some pussy tonight.
Bro, when niggas fail to realize, bro, that, bro, this motherfucker got more torque than my car, honestly, bro.
He's trying to get
Like 400 foot-pounds, bro.
He's trying to get a plug so that way we can get more impact wrenches.
Nah.
Hey, oh, chill! You about to spill my fucking drink?
Oh, get that hammer, bro. Get that hammer out the basement, bro.
All right, first off, I'm tired of being your
Hey,
kid.
fuck you, buddy. Yo, for get that hammer, bro.
Cook this old eyes underwear wearing that.
Bro, chill.
100 degrees leather jacket head ass.
But it's cold, boy.
Gotcha.
Bro, the sport of fucking guessing sockets, bro. This
shit
is
they should have a
bro.
a game show.
Bro,
about
no, this shit is dangerous, bro. Guessing the size of a boat, bro.
Oh, you need a 10? Nah, that's a
Shit is
10.75
a dangerous lifestyle.
Imagine being some nigga who trying to be a mechanic who doesn't understand fractions or decimals.
You fucked. What do you
Yeah,
mean?
same thing as being a drug dealer, not knowing how to convert metrics to customary.
That's how it works.
Stupid.
That's
Don't
how it
watch our
works.
videos.
Yo.
I'm about to cook these loafers.
Yo, chill. These the work loafers, bro. You know what?
I'm fat. Speaking of fat,
Yo, chill.
cook these fucking
Can you
dusty
stop it?
ass Calvin Kleins. What are they?
The boys.
The boys. I don't know how you got dirt on the side. Look at these
Sure.
crispers.
You still touching me?
We're in Michigan, so this weather is an anomaly.
Bro. Niggas don't understand what that means.
This weather is abnormal. Is outside in fucking, what is this,
Oh,
March?
Fuck.
Is this March?
Are you stupid?
Damn, bro, I've been indoors all the time.
This nigga forgot the date because he was inside.
Bro, you ever went in the building, it was nice outside, came outside, it was fucked?
Nah.
On Friday, it was warmer in the morning than it was in the evening. Your fucking stomach, yeah.
Bro, can you stop? Stop recording.
Keep drilling, buddy.
Okay, this is pissing me off.
Need some help?
No.
Saying my arms are longer than yours, so I got better leverage.
That wouldn't work.
And, you know, I'm thinner than you, so I can get underneath the car. All right, so explain it.
Okay, this is off. I just gotta take the hangers off.
Explain why you jacking that whore.
Not that bitch,
The
yo.
weapon that the Joker used to murder Robin.
Yeah, got it. So basically, I got these two bolts off. The exhaust shit crusty as fuck, as you can see. I got these two off. And now I just have to take these hangers off. It's like 3 hangers in the back, so I just gotta take those off. So, yeah. Get this exhaust hanger off.
You talking about the hangers?
Yeah, it's some rubber hangers, but
Can you stop stroking the muffler? Wow.
yeah, buddy.
Somebody-
Exhaust me! Exhaust me!
Do you think this is how thieves was out here stealing catalytic converters?
Yo, that's a lot of work,
Just underneath
bro.
the car.
Bro, they went through a lot of work.
Bro, all that work they was doing could have just got a fucking job like the rest of us. Bro, there's nothing worse than a thief that works harder than the person who actually paid for the shit.
Bro. Don't you ever disrespect me with ethics, with work ethic.
Bro. So does new exhaust come with its own hanger clips?
Nah.
No?
Nah, buddy. So,
Why is the heel part of your sock on the side of your shoe?
The heel part of my sock is
The heel part of your sock, the gray part, is on the side of your shoe. I want everybody to know that once you really start making some money, I want you to replace every Hot Wheels car that you stole from me.
It's like you're too old to give it to him.
Bro, that nigga didn't pay for the shit either.
But that nigga was yours.
How you going out here refurbish somebody else's shit? I'm trying to leverage using his back. Fuck you doing, a crippler crossface?
Bro, yo, that is what it looks like I'm doing.
Bro, look at this fool, man. Look, first off, look at his head shaking.
Bro, can you stop, bro?
I provide color.
What the fuck are you talking about now?
Bro, look at his head. Look at his fucking head.
Oh, this bitch is on here.
Lube it up.
You better not be getting no shit camera angle, bro.
Bro, your fat ass shoulder is like blocking the rest of the camera.
Like, you should be standing up.
I will not stand up until I'm compensated, sir. The reason I'm being the cameraman is because your big ass only got 2 hands.
What? I got a third leg. I hope so.
Let me drive the boat.
Let me drive the boat.
Next time you get in mom car, you got to say that, all right?
Let me try the boat. Big ass Lexus. Let me try the boat.
Yo, when you taking your test?
I'm not sure, bro.
Yeah, he's more driving experience for that.
You don't got a license either. Fuck you.
But I definitely got driving experience in a whole ass big rig over there.
With no license.
Boy, that's cause the ops.
Yo, go do a Bertha review, bro. Go review Bertha real quick, bro.
Bertha? Who the fuck is Bertha?
You fat ass truck, nigga.
That's not Bertha, nigga.
Go show them this, bro.
Go review your tiny hands.
Oh yeah. Up and down. Oh yeah. Bro, I'm really having trouble getting this hanger off. Bro.
Would you like me to try to do it?
Nah.
Tag out. Tag out. I'm sure I look really weird on the ground.
Okay.
With my ankles out.
There we go.
Whoa!
There we fucking
What do you expose your whole stomach?
Can you bro, stop getting the stomach cam.
This is more important than the whole fucking video. Look at
Can you
it.
Stop, bro?
The size of this mechanic. Bro, what did you do?
Got one hanger off this bitch, and 2 more to go.
Yo, where all the birds
2 more to go, bitch.
Bro, I'm trying to feed some birds.
You trying to feed birds? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? Yo, chill.
Crackheads on the Blizzak.
Yo, that nigga tweaking.
He's arguing with himself.
Bro, you see that nigga cut, bro?
Bro, fuck the
Yo,
cut.
zoom in on this cut.
Walking how he walking like Tracy Morgan.
You gonna beat your ass. Yo,
Hey,
zoom
fuck you, pal. Right. Your head's in the way, sir. Come on, dog. You in the...
Why I got water?
Hey, buddy. Hey, pal. Yeah.
This bitch has been conquered.
I be feeling like
do it live.
I be feeling like a fit when I walk through.
Yeah.
Lose a couple of calories when I walk too.
Yeah.
He's fucking big, his stomach soundproof.
Yeah.
Mwanga. He ain't got no gas. Oh, that bad boy is sexy.
Yeah.
No, do it again. That's what happens when your pipes is loose.
Yeah. All these bitches rusted, bro.
Chisel, my nizzle. All right, take a look.
Yo, these are a whole bunch of rusted ass stolen fucking tools.
He stole tools from my grandfather.
Bro, what?
Should air this shit out and just let. Look at that. Hold on. Show them. Some type of rusted ass chisel. Look like a tetanus shot.
I don't even know what this is, bro.
Shot in the making.
I don't even know what this is, bro. This is you are ass with these angles, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, that's a prison
It's
shank.
a file, but
Prison shank.
All right, we can use it.
All right. Here go this hot Brillo boy. Get that.
Bro, why is this bitch wet, bro?
We've already went over this. You're the one.
Yeah.
He makes
show
love
these niggas what I'm doing.
fun.
Alright, so basically I'm just using this because I'm fucking poor and I don't have anything to clean the surface, the mating surface of the gasket. Yo, chill. But yeah, I'm just get this shit good and then we're gonna put on this exhaust. You ready this bitch, bro? That bitch got a red limiter. Alright, so I'm just taking off these fucking rubber hangers.
Yeah, he likes taking off rubbers.
You're gay. Bro, this bitch, what the fuck?
STD boy.
What the fuck?
Gets his
Bro,
hands
you
dirty.
see the inside of that, bro?
Yeah. No, I'm saying from the other side.
Huh?
From the other side.
Nah, I saw it.
Oh, fuck it, you good. Alright, show it. Alright, hold on, man. I gotta zoom out. Show. Stop being gay, bro.
What you talking about, man? Shot me, got that thing on me, thing.
Yo, chill.
I'm gonna get this other bitch off. Back. Yeah, this is not coming off. Yo, hand me the lube.
It's so big I can see you in the distance. Never trust a nigga in loafers with lube.
Let's take this bitch off. Yo, this. Yeah, she's a stubborn one. Yo.
That's a tough nut to crack. Hey, buddy, you're really screwing the pooch on this one. Bro, rip that joint off.
This bitch is not coming off, man.
Bro, this nigga's shoes turning.
Yeah. You gotta chill.
I can't even keep the camera still.
You're way too far away.
No, I got it zoomed in. You good.
Bro, come try this.
All right, bet it up. Switch it. Try it again.
Check out.
Try it out. Here.
You gotta run. Get in that motherfucker. Oh, yeah. Spit on it.
Don't mind if I do.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Deep.
Well, get in that motherfucker. What you doing? Oh, the game plan. He's going for the any Audi, the any Audi Ducky Tucky.
As learned by my father.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck.
Bro, you been sitting here doing this shit for 5 minutes.
Yeah, you see the other one off. Fuck you, pal.
Yeah.
Boy, what are those?
We're out of here. Tag back in.
Hold up.
All I had to do was just put the do that shit again.
Do you
One more time
smell
for the
what
camera.
The Rock is cooking? The Rock says.
The whole house just moved. That whole house just moved. Alright, got you. You're fucking big.
Right, to unbox this bitch, man. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, but what the fuck?
Aw, hood.
Look at the gasket just loose in the box, bro.
Oh, you're a little bit too aggressive, buddy. I gotta back up. You know half of the box is not being fast. He's so fucking big. He makes the box move.
So, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need some of this to lay the exhaust on so it won't scratch it. You got like a towel or something?
Why the fuck would I have a towel just loose?
I'm talking about in the crib, babe.
You gotta ask your mother, nigga. Just a paper towel or something.
Your
Put one,
mother.
put one of your big ass shirts down. It's like a
Your
flag.
mother. What?
Your mother.
Your mama. Oh, yeah.
Let me get in. Let me get in. Let me see.
The shine on that pipe, man. That bitch is crisp.
That bitch
Wet.
is crisp. Wet. I'm ready.
Alright, I'm gonna just test
All right, buddy. Let me step away. Get low, get.
Hey, this shit low key fucked up, bro. Cause this shit look hot as hell. That fat tip on that bitch, no homo, nigga. That shit look hard as hell. But just for the video's sake, fuck it. Alright, so what's the deal, niggas? So I end up returning that fucking Monzo exhaust. It didn't fit 100%, and I wasn't satisfied with the quality, so I just returned it. I got a fucking refund. But no, I'm not too upset about it because nigga, we got hella shit, hella fucking Miata sauce coming for that motherfucker, bro. We got a fucking front splitter, we got all type of shit. I'm thinking about ordering a wing for it, and we just got a lot of shit coming, bro. So stay tuned, subscribe. Y'all niggas better stay spooling.